Today, we are going whitewater rafting in Michigan.
Aboard!
I don't even know if you knew that you could do that, but that's exactly what we're doing. Let's go.
Welcome to the beautiful Menominee River. If you look on your right and left, you can see Class 0 whitewater. As you get to Class 3, that's when you want us, a guide. Class 4, which is one of the highlights of our trip here, includes waterfalls. We'll be dropping down a 12-foot and then through the rapids.
Right now, we're doing the safety briefing. They're helping us make sure that we're gonna stay safe during this. Fast forward. Yep, that's what we're getting ourselves into, so we take this part pretty seriously.
We're gonna drop that fall, so lean in.
Lean in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm falling out.
Oh yeah.
If you're asking where we are, well, that's Wisconsin and that's Michigan. Look how beautiful this is. Stunning.
I'm excited. I would say that I'm not nervous, excited, but I think I'm anticipating, if that's even a way to say it.
What are your thoughts before we go over?
Can't wait to see Amber's face on the way down there.
Very nice.
Amber, how are you feeling before we go over?
Ready to go.
I'll take a little hike anytime.
Yes, indeed.
Well, especially to do that again.
When I bring my kids,
Yeah.
they're gonna want to do this like 17 times in a row.
Absolutely. When that wave came over the front of it, I hope that the camera was on my face, because I'm gonna freeze frame it, because I guarantee my eyes are huge.
I took like a full hit over, like just straight over my head. It was awesome.
So the best part about having just went down the rapids is that we get to do it again. So you float another raft down, we hike back to the top of the rapids, and then we get to go back through the waterfalls and then back through the bigger rapid section.
I've been sailing for many years, tried to find you and face my fears. Yes, I've been dreaming far away for that sunrise by the bay, but by the sea I'm alright. By the sea